Hi, this is Bernhard, and today I'm going to show you on how to edit this PowerPoint template of Plumber. So let's get started. First, we're going to change the background. So click on the image, the background image, and right click, there you go, change picture, and choose the background that you like. Say for example this one. There you go. Now don't worry about the animations because it won't affect the presentation when changing the image. If you want to see the animations, just go to Animations tab and click on Animation pane, and you can see here each animations that was used in the template. And now we're going to change the person, and also you could also use or upload your own caricature if you like. Let's choose this one. There you go. Next, let's change the banner. Click on the image, right click, change picture, and we have a variety of colors here you can choose from. And next, the big green one here. Same procedure, right click, choose the color that you like. There you go. And also you could upload your own logo and change this one and put your company name, say for example that, and put your website URL here. Alright, next we're going to the slide 2. So same procedure for this one. Say for example, click on the image, right click, change picture, choose the color that you like here. Say for example that. Now for this one, let's see what will happen when we change this image. Say for example this blue. As you can see, it is flipped and it is not the same as this too. So for you to modify this, right click on the image and click on this rotate tool, flip vertical, and click the rotate tool again and click flip horizontal, and there you go. Again, let's change this one, change picture. Say for example this green one here, right click again, click the rotate tool, flip vertical, click again, and flip horizontal. Last one, change picture. Let's use this one. Right click, click on the rotate tool, flip vertical, and flip horizontal. There you go. And for the check marks, change picture. There you go. Second one here. Let's use the green one, and the last one is the purple. There you go. And that's how you're going to change this images here. Same procedure as what you have already know. So that's it, and thank you.